Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Opera. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to use print function to display something. For that I need to write print first parenthesis double quote and I'm going to write hello world. Oh sorry. Now I'm going to run it. So the output is hello world. If we write something else, hi there, and let's run it again. Using print function, you can display anything that is written in this portion. So that's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.